We've got the GWS24 CVC ring main unit here, and it is a beast. Let me unpack it for you and show you what I've got. So this unit consists of an isolator, and you will see that the isolator is actually a small portion here. The circuit breaker has got the isolator and the circuit breaker, as well as then the isolator here. Let me show you in the cable chamber. So while it is on earth, I can open the cable chambers and show you what goes on inside. So inside you will find you can have 3 wires or a 3-core cable coming in, or you can have a single core coming through the middle. You have got your earth bars. You've got these nice stubs where you can fasten your LV cables so they are sturdy and nice. You can see there, no more sticky feet. And you've got the X-flow vent to the back. And here you can also see grommets and all kinds of connectors to take you to places. On the side, you can see the earth preparation being done for connecting earth from the outside, if that is what you want to do with the earth bar. On the circuit breaker side, we have got the earth fault CT, a dedicated earth fault CT, and then the self-power CTs for protection, which is then already pre-wired, and it is very sturdy and it looks nice. And here you can see the cables are fastened on these nice steps. So this is on the cable side of your circuit breaker. Look at the space, look at the height. This is quite nice. And let me just put this back. So now, what I can tell you is the height of this ring main unit is the same as ABB, and the width is the same as Schneider. So it will fit in anything that the Schneider will fit in, and this is a great replacement for the phasing out of the IDI. So let me just show you how it operates. So on the right hand side you will find your operating handle, always nice and helpful. And you will always have your documentation pack in there. Now first thing, you need to switch off your earth switch, and then you need to switch on your isolator. Wrong side. You need to switch on your isolator, and then you can now charge your spring charge on your circuit breaker. So it's so simple and so easy. There's no pressure. It is such a simple or easy way to charge it. Now you can close, and then you can actually charge it again. One hand operation, no stress. There you can actually open it, close it, and open it again, all with one charge. Let me show you what goes on inside. So this whole switchgear is very sturdy. You can feel it's steel plates. There's nothing plastic here except for a few covers. You also have the counter at the front, which is something you don't see in many cases. And then you have got your self-powered relay, which is very fast. Even at 30% of the CT rated, it can open in 0.08 seconds, which is not even a 0.1 of a second. So that is on self-powered. When you do power it, it can even be faster, 20 milliseconds. So that's even faster. Let me show you what is on the inside. Something that really stand out for me on this switchgear is that everything is really well made. Even the knobs is made of steel. So you don't have the problem of things breaking easily. Your operating instructions is also listed on the front, which is a very simple way of training and showing your operators what to do first and second. Inside of the unit you will find the relay, the fault direction, the VPIS, and then much more. This unit is a 24 volt powered unit. It's already got the charge motor as a standard. It's got one closing coil, and it's got 2 tripping coils, one for tripping from auxiliary source and one for self-powered tripping from the relay. So you've got a double backup if you need to operate from remote. You've got your CT test blocks. You have all of these connectors, such as all of these statuses, such as this status and the statuses of your earth switch, and all of the statuses are there on the counter that I already showed you. And then on this side, on the isolator side, you will see that it has got a lot of space and an extra DIN rail for you to maybe put some extra terminals, or you can put the EasyVS voltage sensor set in to replace a VT, and then you can make this a bulk metering unit very simply. You don't need extra space and extra enclosures. The manometer, the gas density meter, also has got contacts, and it's already wired in if you want to use remote switching and you are scared of maybe the SF6 will be this or that. We have got that standard built into this unit. And then the X-flow vents at the back. Let me show you at the back. At the back you will see that currently the version we offer at the moment, the pressure relief goes down into the trench. So your trenches need to be nice. We can also remove this plate and put an explo vent so the relief is to the top. And the explo vent is more or less the same as the Schneider relief duct. The explo vent is at the bottom and it shoots down into your trench. So moral of the story is GWS24, you get much more for less money than what you would pay for a standard unit. Brand new, 1-year warranty, all the spares and parts we keep locally. So we've got full mechanisms, trip coils, relays, anything you can think of that you will need. Maybe there's a damage or maybe during shipping something happens, then we will support you here in South Africa from Easy Switchgear side. Thank you.